Guys, happy Easter. I'm filming this on Easter. I got this sweet, sweet card from my good friend Judy. Hi, Judy. Happy Easter, honey. Isn't this cute? Look at this fence. It's all one. She's amazing. And then she wrote me a sweet message on the back. Oh my gosh. She is the master of the card making, I tell you. I just am amazed at her skills. Okay. So these are the lots that I got last week. They arrived from Tina Bean, Crafty Bean. Jeez, I can say it. Here on YouTube, she does usually Tuesdays and Wednesdays is when she does her destashes, and then mails them out on Thursday. Now I live all the way across the country, and it came right away. So I wanted to try these out. I thought this was really interesting. So it comes with these dies and then these papers that you can cut that match. I was like, oh, so you could do, like, have this as your base and then cut another one because it has several, and you can make, you can't, you're not here. Anyway, copies, right? But it came with tons on this nice heavy cardstock. So you could have this as your base and then pop each flower up. I just thought that was kind of clever. So I hadn't seen anything like that before. Well, I probably have. But anyway, quit talking, Kim. And then, so that one, and then this one. Look at these, you know, they had me at blue. Look at this. With these matching. So here it is. They cut it out. There's some cut out. Oh my gosh. Wow. And then you could just pop it up on here. Now it looks like this person might have cut it out of a different, because it's really shiny, or I don't know if that shine comes out when you cut it. I don't know. I'll have to give it a go. Stay tuned. So they got that one. Her prices are unbelievable. And she doesn't include shipping on most things because you can order more than one, and then she figures out how to package it and send it to you. So check her out for sure. Okay, so see, they cut these out. And it came with, I think, I'll have to match these up. I think I got them mixed up. Not her, but me. But yeah, so, and here's this. Aren't these gorgeous? Oh my gosh. I mean, just as a card base without cutting it out would be pretty. And then look at this one. Had to have this one. It has the bees. The bee's knees. And look at all that I get to go with it to cut out. Oh my gosh. Very, very pretty. I am impressed. Thank you, Tina, for having these wonderful destashes where you share all your goodies with us that you find. And then this one is this bow, OMG, a butterfly, this bow, and this bow with the dies to match. How fun is that? It's just so fun. It's just, like I said, something different. Oh, what happened to you? Somebody liked that one butterfly. But don't worry. I have more than I would ever use, so we're good. I just thought that was really clever. Something, like I said, something different. And then this gorgeous, so you can cut out, it has this individual, so you can cut those out, and then you end up with this frame too. Oh my lord. So how does that work? Oh, so you just line this up. Well, good luck to me, but anyway, and then you can cut out the different flowers. Very pretty. I love it. So that's some of the stuff I got from Tina, and then I got this lot. I'm telling you, you got to be on top of your game. I love these Lisa Horton. They're so pretty. It says Christmas Rose, but to me that could be anything. It's a three-dimensional and a slimline. So we can play with that. And then from Tailored Expressions, this embossing folder, Houndstooth. And I just thought this was so cute. I don't think I have this one. Now, most of this stuff she's getting is brand new. And this is an embossing folder again, and it does this. Look at, you know me and my polka dots. It's not the Merry Christmas. That's what they put on there, but it's the embossing folder. And then Spellbinders embossing folder. I don't know if optical arches. So yeah, Tina, keep it going, girlfriend. She is doing great with her. I just really appreciate her reasonably priced D-stash. Is so fun to get things, see what she gets, and then buy it. It's right up my alley, I'm telling you. All right, you guys, take care, and I'll talk to you soon. And if you're having, for me, it's a quiet day. It's just me and the birds and the squirrels hanging out. And yeah, have a great, great Easter or Sunday, whatever. If you're celebrating, having good time with family and friends, awesome. If you're hanging out by yourself like me, have a good day, restful, peaceful day. All right, take care, guys. Bye-bye.